Hey you guys, Kate here. So what do you need to start for a foundation of having a brand? We intentionally created 3 different tiers of branding packages so that there was one tailored specific to where you are within your business. So our first one is a brand starter package, and this is for the entrepreneur. You know, you're just starting a business, you are in the introductory phase of this new journey, and you just want to get the bread and butter of what you need. So in all of our branding packages, we have 3 main components: a logo, a visual identity standards guide, and a Canva brand kit. So in this one here, I'm going to showcase Elle Belle Sales Co., which is a lovely local lady in Grand Prairie that we get the opportunity to work with. And we provide all of the proper formatting for her logo. So we do the logo design. You get to choose from a few different versions. And then we provide you with all of the vector files that you need. So this is a really key point, no matter where you're getting a logo done, is ensuring that you're walking away with a very usable logo. So ensuring you have the proper files for embroidery, vehicle wraps, billboards, websites, social media. It's not just one JPEG file. So we offer all of the orientations, the different color versions, and then your logo. Layering atop of the logo is the most key part of a brand, and this is your visual identity. How are you showing up? What is the vibe you're giving off? What is the feeling? And this is represented within colors and assets and textures and fonts. So as you can see here, we've got a color palette that is very, girly and inviting, and it's speaking to her specific audience. Typography, within this brand package, we offer a limited amount of fonts, and it keeps building as you move up the tiers, but this is like the basics of what you need to start out. A heading, a subheading, a body text, and as you can see, this is tying into her main logo. So you've got some cohesiveness, consistency throughout. Then graphic elements, this is where it starts to get really fun. So we tailor 2 specific backgrounds for you using your colors and then adding in decorative elements. So as you can see, we've got Lindsay's actual lips here, which is a super fun feature, and then these decorative elements that we're placing into the different backgrounds and designs that we're making for her. So this is a very pretty document that I'm showing you here, but these files actually exist. So everything is individually deconstructed and put into a Canva template and kit for you so that you can use this regardless of what you're trying to design. So this leads me into my next point. So Canva Templates. If you aren't familiar with Canva, Canva is a godsend for anybody trying to run a business or working for a business. You don't have to be a designer to create really beautiful graphics and to digitally market yourself. This is a super user-friendly platform, and I use it all the time, and I'm definitely not a designer. So we pre-create within this package 6 Canva templates that are already existing. So you start to get the look and the feel of how we combine everything together. And then we upload these into Canva and we show you how to use them. So all of these files individually exist. They're all separated into their own little folders, nice and organized, and then you just get to be empowered to start using them on all of your different touch points. So as I keep going here with this visual identity guide, you can see how it portrays out into the world throughout different touch points and different platforms. So we've got Lindsay's website here, which we also created her website, but it was super easy to take everything that we created within her visual identity and put it onto this website for that cohesive, consistent look. So this is your brand starting to show up into the world. So as you can see scrolling through here, everything is exactly the same as the visual identity. The colors, we've included these backgrounds that are nice and texturized specific for her. All of the fonts are the same. And then you go into her Instagram and it's exactly the same. So this is a really key point in establishing your brand, is ensuring that no matter where people are finding you, you're looking the same. It's that consistent factor. But also, as you can see, even on these slides right here, her logo is on none of these slides, but I can still see that this is Lindsay. This is her vibe and her feel because she's incorporating all of these textures and assets and fonts in with her personality. So I don't have to see her logo to know that this is her work. So this is one of the really important things to start your business off with, and I would love to chat further with you guys.